Capsaicin, the powerful compound behind the heat of red peppers, is one of nature's strongest allies for metabolism, thermogenesis, and weight management. But using raw capsaicin or capsinoids in nutraceuticals comes with serious challenges: intense pungency, poor stability, irritation, inconsistent dosing, and difficult handling during production. That's where encapsulated capsaicin pellets by Umang nutraceuticals change everything. Our advanced microencapsulation technology locks the active ingredient inside a protective matrix, eliminating pungency, enhancing stability, and ensuring smooth, safe processing. These pellets deliver customized release options, uniform particle size, and pinpoint-accurate dosing, making them perfect for capsules, sachets, tablets, gummies, and functional foods. No more production setbacks, just cleaner taste profiles, better consumer compliance, and the confidence to scale high-potency capsaicin formulations reliably and efficiently. Upgrade your formulations with Umang Nutraceuticals, your one-stop solution for smart, scalable, and stable capsaicin delivery.